Teamwork makes the dream work. All right. How you doing? I'm doing great. Let's see. Am I live over there? It looks like I am. Do I have volume? I do. Thank you for asking, Jay. How are you doing? DreamWorks makes the team work. Been it since 4. Couldn't go back to sleep and trying to get live. Been trying to go live ever since. I've been trying to get my TikTok feed better, but I don't know. Links inside. I mean, no stinking links. Stinky linky. All right, let's see. We got to get this all set up. Pardon me for a second as we get set up over here. We're going to teach you all the best side hustle in the world. Isn't it sad that we need a side hustle in this day and age? What the fuck happened to America? But as it is, yeah, Amazon drop shipping. Get out of here. You want the best side hustle in the world? How about you learn how to trade? And learn how to trade consistently. Oh, damn, that picture looks good on. Holy shit. Does that picture look exceptionally good on YouTube? Wow. Looks fucking fantastic. Hopefully none of you are here. Hopefully all are sleeping in. Damn, does that picture look fucking good on YouTube? Wow. I don't know. I think TikTok isn't as clean. No, not nearly as clean. Interesting. But we can see more of TikTok now, I believe. Can you hear me okay on TikTok? I don't know if anyone's over there. Mr. C, can you hear me okay, Mr. C? DreamWorks makes the... Good morning, Gladys. Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning, Chris Milne. Oh, good morning. Rapid in time. Yeah, I've been up for... I should have been on an hour and 47 minutes ago. Good morning, Rapid Empowerment International. Jay, good to have you back, Jay. Oh, is that you over there? Is that Jay Williams, Jay? Rapid? Good morning, Jones 808, or evening to you. Damn, it's morning here. Yes, great picture. Oh, awesome. Cool. Oh, that's you over there, Jay. Cool. What's up, Jay? Well, now I know. Sound is good. Okay, cool. What's up, Priscilla Surgeon? Go back to sleep, peeps. I swear. Why are you guys up? I'm just going to have some fun today. Obviously, we're not going to do live trading. I don't trade over the weekend. I don't trade cryptos, even though you can. DreamWorks makes the team work. I've had some help. Da 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 da. Aw, that's precious. Anybody know that song? What I'm singing? Da, 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 da. Hard to track sometimes. Oh yeah, I have no idea. Bree knows who every one of you are, down to what name it is and who you are, or what email and what's your username. I can't remember you guys. If you came on 10 fucking times in a row, I wouldn't know. Gonna be the dream work. Gonna make the team work. I had a little help. Da na 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 na. I had a little help. All right, peeps. Hopefully everybody's sleeping. Sound is good. Smoking behind, thank God. Same network and YouTube is clean. Thank you, Rapid. I don't know if it's my end or not. What's up? Shas, did you change your name? Smoking behind. God is great. God bless. God bless you. Shash, is that you? Chris Milne called on Bitcoin. Yeah, you should have bought it on 3/8/23 when I told you to, when it was at 26,500. And then you guys should have bought it every day since then, since I was calling it out for the next year every day. So my call out for Bitcoin is you should have listened to me back a year ago. What's up, Tracy Ann Davis? What's up, Carpet Repair of Arizona? Good morning. Good morning. I don't know about TikTok. Still working with that. DreamWorks makes the teamwork. Gonna be the one. What are we gonna do about TikTok? DreamWorks makes the teamwork. Yeah, TikTok's is about as best we're gonna get this morning. I'm not horseshitting around with it anymore. Tis what it is. I know that sounds better there. DreamWorks makes the teamwork. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't want the picture to move. I'm gonna have to reconfigure TikTok when I'm done. Here, I'll stop the treadmill this morning. Maybe that'll help. DreamWorks makes the teamwork. Yes, I had some help. Da 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 da. All right. Well, there's a few of you here. I'm going to go over quite a few things. Mainly, I'm going to be testing out our stuff. I just wanted to show you. So I guess I'm going to start trading small accounts, $57, and then larger accounts. I can't remember what this one started with. Maybe like 3,000, 5,000. Anywho, trade from yesterday. Let me get clear on that one. 5:24 at open at 9:31 a.m. Buy. I called this trade out, drew out the trade for you, wrote out the trade for you, traded the trade. By the way, if you don't know what a swap is, that's the interest they charge you for holding a trade overnight, which in this case is really high for 0.07. I'm kind of hoping they don't charge that again on Monday night. Otherwise, I'll have to pop this trade quick and let go of it. But at any rate, $890 on a 0.07 buy. I did a direct market order on that one. And that's this trade. Of course, this trade's been on since May the 3rd. Started out again at 0. This is SPX. Size 0.01. We've made 194 pips on SPX. This trade's from 517. We're up 3 pips. It was actually, I don't know, like 230 pips and like 30, 28, 33, I don't know, whatever. But holding those. So those are my trades, locked in profit on all non-risk trades. Does anybody have any questions over these two trades? I'm going to explain this one in detail, that one in detail. What's up, Raider Trader? What's up, Ore? Oh. Any questions over any three of the trades? I'm going to be going over that $890 trade in detail right now. I wish I had some help. DreamWorks makes the no one knew the song either. That's funny. All right, put those trades away then. See ya. All right, figured out how to make the replay work with Keith. Thank God. Let's see if I have this. DreamWorks makes the team work. All right. So what do we have? DreamWorks makes the team work. DreamWorks makes the team work. Okay. Here is what we're going to do this morning. Oh shit, I got to get going on this stuff. Let's make a couple things clear. Blah, blah, blah. I hate to do this part, but you have to. DreamWorks makes the team work. I had to have some help. Gee, I picked the horizontal line instead of the vertical line. There we go. All right. I'm still in the buy stop and user from May 17th longest I ever. Nice, Tracy Ann Davis. Nice, congratulations, Tracy Ann Davis, standing O. I am still in the buy stop called in Udachef from May 17th, the longest. That is fantastic. Hell yeah, it's 8 fucking days. That's a long time to hold a trade. Congratulations, trade. You're actually trading. The people who go in and out of trades in seconds, I mean, great. I'm glad you use it for scalping. That's not trading. I know it works, and I know people make money with it. Holding a trade for a week is actually trading. That's how you know what you're doing and how you're trading. Absolutely. Congratulations, Tracy Ann. Yay. Good for you. Teamwork makes the dream work. Da, 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 da. All right, that purple line's the entry of my trade. We're going to get into why I took that trade right now. Da, 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 da. I had some help. All right. Here we go. Tracy, I'm so happy for you. DreamWorks makes the team work. Yeah, and you can see both charts. So the positioning of it seems to be pretty good. I'm happy with that. Cool. Let's move this over a little bit. Just a little bit more. All right. This is what we are looking at. How far over can we see this right now? Yeah. Looks like we're actually, technically, we can have a little bit more. Just lining up a few things, sorry. All right, cool. Easy peasy trading coming up. All right. So let's go over here. Yeah. People on TikTok can see everything now. Nice, Tracy Ann. Thumbs up from everybody sure would be nice too, but no big deal if you can't hit the thumbs up button. All right, here we go. So why and how did I take this trade? Oh, shit. Hold on. Blah, 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 blah. All right, here we go. I am very happy and very extremely grateful to God that we do have our United States of America trademark, registered trademark to me, of course, my wife included. Class 41, this is the part I love. Coaching in the field of generational wealth through stock trading. Coaching in the field of, then educational in the field of generational wealth. Workshops, seminars, providing classes, generational wealth through stock trading, educational service for generational wealth. How fucking cool is that? DreamWorks makes the team work. So anyway, this is enforceable in 80 countries. It's a legally enforceable trademark. It's not just for the name, it's for all my indicators. Also, we have this system that's NDA protected. In addition, we are not financial advisors. No one associated with this channel is. There's your legal disclaimer. Please pause it and read it over. I am a social media influencer, and so is everybody that's associated with this channel. Please do not listen to an investment thing I'm saying. I am here just strictly trading demo, trying to help you all trade demo. Remember, you're adults. Make your own damn decisions. Da 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 da. Da da da. All right. Please type yes if you understand that this is a legally protected trading system and that I am not a financial advisor. I must have had some help. DreamWorks makes the team work. I had to have some help. Yay, Tracy. I'm so happy for Tracy. Oh, think it's been a long time coming for her. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Jay. All right, here we go. I wonder if I turned on my light in my room, if that would help TikTok. Well, anyway, good enough. See, it doesn't even look cool. The neon sign over here is such a pretty color blue, but it doesn't look good on TikTok. But damn, that is cool as fuck in real life. Anyhow, what's up, Garth? All right, so simply put, I took a trade yesterday that I called out live. I have several accounts. This is just one of the accounts. I took the trade. It's up $890. Actually, I think it was up like $1,300 or $1,400. Well, whatever. It was up a good amount. Still is. This is my timing on the trade. Blah, blah, blah. The amount and everything. So why did I take this trade? And how was I able to make that call live? Because, again, you guys trade. You know how fucking hard it is to trade when you're not live, just by yourselves. But I was able to make this trade live. Well, you're looking at it. Damn, look at this shit. Woo, we got some easy cut money coming up. Come Sunday night, come Monday, we got some easy. I'm glad you're doing well, Garth. Got some easy money coming up. Damn, I'll go over that later. But anyhow, at the time, we had called out, I had written out and typed out and drawn out NAS, SPX, right? So these things right here. NAS 100, SPX 500, US 30. Buy stops, 15-second, 30-second buy stop towards the SPX 1-minute blue line. Then look for the 15-minute sell stops. And I still love, my favorite is the weekly, daily buy stops. So that's my thing. So why did this do? How did I know those buy stops were going to be occurring? Well, we already had at the time, US 30 was a buy. NAS was not, US 30 was already over its line. SPX was over its line and NAS was not. So NAS is the last one. So our little handy dandy thing there helped out a shit ton. A lot. DreamWorks makes the team works. I had to have some help. We're going to add one more to this one. I had to have some help. I'm going to fire up the whole thing for you to see. All right. So here we go. So this is open. We already know that the 2 out of 3 scanner was showing at the time buy for, it was already showing over on the 30-second and 1 minute for US 30 and the 30-second on SPX. NAS was not over yet. So I made the call. Also, our signal service. This M5 right here is a 2.0. Hydra 2.0 5-minute buy. So this is all flipped on. You can clearly see it was being called a buy by the signal service. And this is why I say the signal service trades better than 95 to 99% of everyone that's out there trading. If you just listen to the signal service, you would make money. Let's put it that way. So this is a buy, clearly marked. There is no could be, maybe, or not. The signal service follows the rules exactly. It's called the order of operations through Keith, and it shows it. So this is exactly a call out. This was in the in our Discord signal servers, and that's it. So how were we able to make this? It was a 5-minute call out. It was a 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute buy stop on the signal service. And then let's go ahead and take an actual look at what happened. So here we are at the 5-minute. Let's go all the way down. We're going to go down to the 15-second at that time and see what things look like. I had to have some help. DreamWorks makes the team work. Okay. So here it is. This is our 9:30 mark. And we're at the 15-second level. Every one of these candles is 15 seconds. And you can take a look. Oh, speaking of which, let's get rid of this real quick. Yes, I had some help. Dream work makes the team work. Right? Now, this is on 15-second trades. Okay. This is the area leading up to 9:30. I'm going to move this over to control the whole screen so you guys can see that. Dream work makes the team work. All right. So watch. These are all 15-second signals. For those of you who are aware, you can clearly see, maybe. Dream work makes the team work. There we go. For those of you who are in the know or not in the know, these are a lot of forming buy stops forming. Green, 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 red, buy stop, green, green, red, green, 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 red. And you can clearly see green, 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 red. After it arched up, there was an obvious one no one could mistake. And I'll show everyone out there that's new. Inside of here, you're going to see the buy stop with the sniper. Green, 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 red, green, green, broken box with the blue line low, buy stop. So you can have taken any one of those trades on the 15-second level. It was called out live in the last video on Friday, this exact trade. I'm explaining how and why. Okay. You can clearly see at 5:31, right after open, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And that was another buy stop. So those are 15-second buy stops. If you come over to the 30 seconds, dream work makes the team work. 30 seconds leading up to it. Again, you have the signal call out on the 5-minute. You had the signal call out on our H&H scanner saying buy. Then you come over to here, you can clearly see on the 30-second, green, 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 red, green, 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 red. So if you can read colors, or if you can tell that this was low on the blue line, you can say, hey, buy stop, buy stop. Even after it came out, you can clearly see on the 30 seconds, green, 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 red, broken box, green, 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 red, another buy. So you could have gotten in any time through the signal service, through the H&H scanner, through the 15-second buys, from the 30-second buys, and now here we sit at the 1-minute buys. Let's take a look. Again, that purple line is market open. We're doing pre-read market open. Green, green, and matter of fact, let's pull this up so we can all be clear. The black is the future. It is unknown. We don't know what is in store for us, except for the indicators, which are 100% accurate 100% of the time. Our interpretation of it could be messed up, but you know, it is what it is. Dream work makes the team work. Here you go. This is pre-market open read. So it's big black box right here. You can't see the future, but it is green, 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 red, green, green, blue line low, buy stop, signal buy stop. We also had the H&H scanner telling us it was a buy stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going, buy stop again, keep going, and look, you can clearly see buy stop right before open. I'll zoom in a little bit more if I can. Maybe I can't. I'll pull this up for you. You can clearly see purple line is open, green, 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 red, broken box, buy stop, blue line low, buy stop. Also, our signal is sent out at buy stop. Also, the H&H scanner is saying it at the time, buy stop. We keep going forward. Time comes. Look, it does it again. Look right here. After market open on the 1-minute chart, green, 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 red, green, green, blue line low, buy stop. And of course, it keeps going up. So now you've seen this exact same pattern on the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute. Let's go to the 3-minute. I just want you to see how absurd it is that some of you didn't catch the trade, or you wondered how I could have possibly gathered this trade and got this trade right. I'm just showing you from 15-second DreamWork to 30-second to the 1 minute, and now I'm going to go to the 3 minute. DreamWork makes the team work. I had some help. Da 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 da. Did I already go past it? Shit. What day is this? Yeah, I went past it. Sorry. Sometimes I go hyper. There we go. All right, here we go. DreamWork. All right. So this is now we're looking at 3 minutes. Okay. Let me see if I can expand that out a little bit for you. Let's look right here. Let's bring this down a little bit. All right. Anybody out there at all that's listening and watching? I'm showing you exactly why I took a trade on a buy stop Friday morning. What is this pattern right here? Green, 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 red, green, green, everybody. And where is it going to? Anybody have the answer to that? Let's see. There's only a few of you here, which, again, I don't blame anyone for not being here on a Saturday morning at 6 a.m. Buy stop to the blue. Correct. Yay. Rapid Empowerment International. I love when he's on. All right, there you go. This is a buy stop to the blue line. You see the blue line? And this is a buy stop. This is a sniper entry buy stop. By the way, look what's being called out. This is also a signal service. So for $150 a month, you get 10 of them. Me and Bree have doubled it. We used to only be 5. For $250 a month, we doubled it. You only used to get 10, you get 20. For $350 a month, you have this on your screen. You can have this exact trade on your screen. Buy stop. Correct, Raider Trader. Correct, Tracy Ann Davis. Very good, guys. This is a buy stop. So now we've seen it. The reason why I took the trade, just so we're all clear. Let's be clear. DreamWork makes the team work. I took the trade because there was a signal. I took the trade also because it said so on the scanner to take the trade. I took the trade because the 15-second chart said buy stop. The 30-second chart said buy stop. The 1 minute chart said buy stop. The 3 minute chart I'm showing you shows a buy stop. And what happens to the trade? Of course, it goes straight up. And there it is. So why else could I have possibly taken it? Well, that's your 3 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Is anyone getting the idea that it's absurd for you not to have taken the trade? It's going to be the team work. Going to make the dream work. Damn, I went past it again. Hold on. It's going to be the dream work. Going to make the team work. No, it's got to be right here. Hold on. Where am I missing this shit? I'm going to make the... Okay, let me get rid of this. Yeah, it's definitely... Where's my little movement in? Where's the purple line? It's got to be right here. It's going to be the dream work. Oh my gosh. Talking about being blind. All right, here we go. So here's yet another one. Literally, this is the signal that was called. You can clearly see. Yep, Mr. C, correct. Could have placed it off. Yeah, we're getting there, Gladys. I'm just going over everything. There is another pink line low, blue line high, green, green, green. There's your little red to the blue line on the 5 minute. This is literally the signal service telling you to take the trade on a version 2.0 signal. The 1.0s are fantastic. They were never wrong for January, February, and March. They were 65 and 0. The 2.0s are even better. DreamWork makes the team work. There you go. So this is also, so we had the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute literally called out. And then we had the H&H scanner call it. And then we had the actual 30-second and US 30 and SPX have already hit it. So now we're up to the 5 minute. And you guys can see that clearly. 10 minute. Let's see if I can find this a little better than I did the last time. Da, 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 da. No. What the fuck? It's got to be right here. There it is. Yeah, I found it. All right. So now look. Now we're on the 10 minute. Now, the 10 minute is a fill in the gap. So let me be clear. The 10 minute, when you know you're on the right trade, there's a space in here. I'm going to, right where that purple line is, but you can see it. There's green histogram bars, a yellow line. There's a space between there. That's the black space. Okay? Now this is why it's handy to have two charts. Let's go over here and watch. Gonna go over here. Yeah. Gonna go to 5 minutes. Now this is where it gets a little tricky for some of you to understand. But I'll take my time this morning because I can. Dreamwork makes the team work. Why did that not move? There we go. All right. So this little space right in here, this red dot, fits into that little space right there. Why is my NAS and NAS not showing the same line? Hold on. Dreamwork makes the team work. All right. Well, wasn't that weird? Yeah. Okay, so let's take this one away. All right. So watch, guys, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Watch. This little red dot fits inside of this space right here. It's a missing puzzle piece. So you know you're on the right trade when you see this, whether it's on the 15 second, 1 minute, the 1 minute, 3 minute, or like we are, the 5 minute, 10 minute. When you're on the right trade, you'll see this red dot on the smaller time. So this is the 5 minute one that's called, will fit inside of the higher time frame missing space. And there it is. So you can't maybe see it because of the purple, but you can see space before it and then, of course, after it. So that little dot is a missing puzzle piece. It goes inside of here. It's a buy stop. So now you see it on the 10 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute buy. Okay? So now we're up from the 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute buy. Also, the reason why I took it, the main reason, there was a buy stop called by our 2.0, which is never wrong. I'm sure it is, but I've never seen it be wrong. And then the our great 2 out of 3 H&H scanner was also calling for NAS. So now we have this one, 2 reasons, 3 reasons, 4 reasons, 5 reasons, 6 reasons, 7 reasons, 8 reasons to take this trade. Okay? And it keeps going. So we're going to go to 15-minute chart. Here's the 15-minute chart. You can literally see the 15-minute chart is a buy stop. First time the blue line comes up. Let's go back again to full screen here. First time blue line came up, pink line came down. Our logo has formed again over here. So the logo on the 15-minute, what is our logo? Dreamwork starts under, comes up over, hooks, and comes up. That is our buy stop logo on the back of our bull. You can clearly see it if you're on TikTok by our little light up thing here. And if you notice down there, you'll see it also. It's also below my thing. Teamwork makes the green work. All right, so that's your buy stop. So now we have reasons to buy it 9 times. And now we're going to go ahead and go to the 30-minute. Dreamwork makes the team work. Here's the 30-minute. What is the 30-minute doing? This is the point of change. And a lot of you have never paid attention to this one. Let me go ahead and show you. When the 30-minute, this is where you're going to see a lot of people get caught. They would think, oh, this is going to be a sell here because, well, it's forming, and it is. I called out a 15-minute, 30-minute sell. You could have made some money off the yellow a little bit. But the reality is this 30-minute is the point of transfer. This is the one where it goes from, well, maybe it's going to be a sell, maybe it's going to be a buy, maybe pigs are going to fly out of my ass. So a lot of maybes floating around here. But this is the one that gets people a little confused. They're like, well, should I take this trade? Kev called for a 15-minute sell to form. This is showing me a 30-minute sell. You know, the red, green. Yeah, it's going to do it. But yet it went up. But yet it fucking went up. Well, that's because a lot of you don't understand. This 30-minute is the transfer. This is where things get from, maybe not. This could be bad. And the only way to make this trade knowledgeable, you have to use the time period before it on the 15-minute and go to the 1 hour. So let's shrink this in and let's see what the 1 hour looks like. Dreamwork makes the team work. I'm gonna myself. And let's see right here, guys. Oh, look at Gladex kicking fucking ass. Here you go. So right here, if you'd have taken a bother instead of just staying on the 30-minute, you should have gone to the 1 hour and said, hey, the 1 hour is, as Gladex put it, a buy stop. Green, 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 red, buy stop. Okay? So now we have confirmation on the 1 hour, the 15-minute, the 10-minute, the 5-minute, the 3-minute, the 1 minute, the 30-second, the 15-second, and the signal service saying buy, and our H&H scanner saying buy at the time. All right, so now you see pop, 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 and up it goes. The only there's no one being called now. That's funny. The only way to see how this 1 hour was going to look, because let's take a look at it clearly. So it's a buy stop, sniper down low. So now we have to go to the 4 hour and see what that 1 hour for. Those are your basic rules 101. So let's see the 4 hour right here. I'll move this over just a little bit. This over. So now we're going to look at the 4 hour chart over here. Dreamwork makes the team work. Oh, look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. We have rules alpha. Easiest shit on fucking earth. Watch. Number 1, the 4 hour blue line is high. Number 2, the blue line dipped. Number 3, the pink came down with it. Number 4, there's your buy stop. You have your fill in the gap from here to here. And this is it. Look at how fucking fantastic. Dreamwork makes the dream work. Dream. Right here is your red little space, or your red thing fits in the space right here. There's your fill in the gap right here. So let's get going. So we had, and watch this. So we had, Dreamwork makes the team work. Look, we had the H&H scanner say it was a buy, number 1. Number 2, we had the 15 seconds say it was, the 30 seconds say it was, the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 10 minute, the 15 minute, the 1 hour, which is all you really need, the 4 hour. Oh, we flipped over the thing, sorry. The 4 hour. We had the fill in the gap. We had the broken Bach. We had this all happening again on SPX. I can go to the daily charts and the weekly charts and show you those are also accurate to buy stops. I've been telling you that, and I'm in a trade from fucking 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So your daily weeklies are also showing it. So you literally have 14 different indicators telling you to go ahead and do a buy. 14 of them, and we can get into the greens, we can get into the everything possible. I can get into all these individual things. Real direction bar 1, 2, 3. That's actually 3 more. Then you have the fill in the gap. That's 4. Then you have your non-broken block. That's 5, 6. I can add in, probably get up to a 50 to 100 of these things. But 14 major indicators telling you to take a buy. Dream work makes the team work. Does everybody understand why I took the trade? Yes or no? No. Now, I'll go over entries for you here in a second. Could it be any clearer? Could it be any easier? Yes, actually, we're going to make these to dashes for you. But there's my trade. $14 different things saying yes. None of them except the 30 minutes saying a possibility of a sell. So which one wins out? Oh, I don't know. The 14 major indicators saying a buy. Well, I wasn't sure. And I didn't know what to do. Thank you, Gladys. I wasn't sure that I should maybe not take possibly this trade. Well, I don't know what else to help you guys with. This is literally, there's only so many confirmations I can give you guys to take a trade. There's only so many things I can teach you. I can only give you a signal to tell you to take the fucking trade. I mean, I laugh because it's almost to the point of absurdity that somebody wouldn't take the trade. But yet here we sit, brokenhearted, tried the shit, but only farted. Okay, look, this is absolutely insanity for, not to take a trade. Well, that's easy for hindsight. No, all of those are pre-market orders. All of these are pre-market up to the open time telling you to take the trade. All of that was. This is the time period of a call out for the signal. Let me be clear. Is 1525 before 1630? If 1525 is before 1630, then we have a pre-signal market order. Good morning, Flight 379. You might want to watch this one. Matter of fact, I know you do want to watch it, Greg. You absolutely want to watch this one if you missed any of this. I know there's only 14 of you here, but those of you who are here are getting golden nuggets beyond golden nuggets. This is how you should analyze your charts. Let me be clear. Google will tell you that less than 1% of any other, including Head and Shoulders, even the shampoo, doesn't work 99% of the time. Top-down analysis doesn't work. What does work is what I just taught you on how to read the charts according to the safety trade system. So let me relabel my little thing here. Hold on. Dreamwork makes the team work. How to exactly analyze a safety trade system chart. Must watch TV. I'm pretty funny now, mine. Dreamwork makes that team work. So let me get that back over here, go back over to there. Oopsie, I'm not back into the video again. Hold on. Dreamwork makes the team work. All right, there we go. What is Elon Musk doing up on my page? So how do we avoid conflicts between fry and fringe? Dude, Albert, what the fuck did I just say? Oh my God. Albert. Albert. Oh God. Please say you weren't here for the whole explanation. Albert, please tell me you weren't here for the whole explanation. Yes, Tracy Ann Davis is right. Gladys is right. But no. Oh my God. Okay, let me go over it again. Oh my God. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. And I think I'm tired, so I'm going to go ahead and go over it again slowly. Albert. Yeah, I can tell, Albert. Go back and watch. Jesus fuck. It's so disheartening. Oh, Lord. It's a good thing I'm in a good mood this morning. Okay, let's go over it again. I just literally spelled out four. Okay, let's start from the beginning yet again for those who are arriving late. Jesus fuck. Oh, my God. Okay, so I'm in a trade placed on 16/31 for a buy on NAS on Friday. $890. The swap fee is interest. That's your commission to get in. This is what the trade is. So why am I in this trade? Jesus fuck. Thank you, Gladys, for understanding the humor and what's going on. I didn't get done by 30 seconds of why I took the trade and how the 30-minute did it. And then someone asked. God's funny. Okay, we're going to go down to the 15-second charts, okay? Jesus fucking crying out loud. Oh, boy, bushy from mushy. Okay, we're going to go down to the 15-second chart, and I'm going to explain every fucking thing again, and someone's going to pay attention this fucking time because I'm not doing it again. I'll just refer you guys back to the video, which is what you should do when I'm done. Just rewatch the video. But I'm going to go ahead and take my time. I'm going to go back here to the 15-second, even though I just got done explaining it. Jesus fuck. Wow. All right. This is the time period that I took the trade. It was at open. There's literally 14. Jesus. Okay. Here we go, guys. Fun time's over. Now, let's take a look. We're at the 15-second level. Let's take a look at our little bar. At the time when this trade was called, you can go back to Friday and watch it. US 30 was green all the way across, actually. SPX just started to turn green. NAS was not green. It was red. So our H&H scanner was calling out for it. Henceforth, why I took out and wrote out this. This is unchanged words. Repetition is the mother of skill. Yeah, for you guys to rewatch the fucking videos I do, not for me to repeat myself over and over again, but to each his own. So I wrote this out, Albert. I said NAS 100, SPX 500. What's up, Greg? Thanks for being on both TikTok and YouTube. If everyone on YouTube would go to TikTok, I'd appreciate it, since I'm rewording this fucking shit again. NAS 100, SPX 500, US 30, all did 15-second, 30-second buy stop towards the US 30 SPX 1-minute blue lines. Then there's a 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. Then there's my favorite, which is the daily, weekly buy stops. So the 15-minute, 30-second buy stops towards those SPX US 30. So this is written out, okay, Albert? So not only did the number one, this call for it to go up. Number two, an hour before, that purple line's my entry line of my trade. The hour before, the signal service called for a 5-minute buy stop. For those of you who don't know, the signal service is either $150, $250, or $350 a month. And the signal service calls out bangers all fucking day long, even more than Post Malone songs. All right, so this is a 5-minute buy stop. You can clearly see that it's before here. Okay, so what else is before here? Oh, I don't know. Green, 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 red buy stop. Let me pull out my little white thing. Hold on. Dreamwork makes the team work. Inside of here, Albert, blue line low, green, 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 red, broken Bach, green, green, buy stop. So now we have a 15-second buy again and again and again before open. Then if we go after open, you can clearly see, I'm sure even Albert knows this, buy stop on the 15-second with the broken Bach, which is 1 million confirmations with the blue line. So again, a few minutes after, a few minutes before. So now we're up to, let's be clear, this called for a buy stop. The H&H scanner called for a buy stop. Okay. Nope. We can't put that up. I'll come back to it. The H&H scanner, Jesus, called for a buy stop. The 15 seconds called for a buy stop. The 5-minute signal service, which is never wrong, and I'm sure it is sometimes, but whatever, called for a buy stop. So they called for it before the open. It called for it after the open. I hope I didn't lose anybody here. Okay, Albert? We go to the 30-second. And what do we see on the 30-second? Let's take a look. Here is the 5-minute call out. What is this right here, Albert? What is this inside of here? Everybody. Albert better answer, though, or I'm going to get really pissed. What is this inside of here called? Teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you, Rapid Powerman International, but that is not Albert. Correct. A buy stop, Albert. So it's before it. So now we have this saying it's a buy stop. Now we have the 15-second it's a buy stop. Now we have the signal service saying it's a buy stop. Now we have what's called a buy stop on the 15-second and the 30-second charts. Buy stop, buy, all before my little thing right here. Okay? Now let's go after the open. Inside of here is a buy stop. What possibly could have happened again? Let's take a look. Inside of here is another 1-minute buy stop. Right afterwards, before it shot up. So you could have played any of the buys before or after, immediately after, on the 15-second, 30-second. Let's go to the 1-minute. And what do we see? Well, what are all these things, Albert, before the call out, before the time period? Buy stop, the signal buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. So now we have 1-minute buy stop, 1-minute buy stop to the blue line, called out by me, by the way, written out by me. Buy stop, right after. You could have even gotten in afterwards if you just had any brain cells whatsoever, the people out there. Listen, buy stop. This couldn't be any easier if it was color-coded. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Bach break, buy stop on the history. Buy stop on your sniper. Buy stop with the signal service. Buy stop with the fucking H&H scanner. But wait, there's more Gingsu knife followers. So the 15-second called for a buy stop. The 30-second called for a buy stop. The 1-minute called for a buy stop. But wait, the 3-minute called for a buy stop. Let's take a look. Literally over it. Holy fucking shit. How many more fucking buy stops can we possibly stand? Buy stop again. Buy stop again. Fill in the gap, buy stop. Fill in the gap, buy stop. 3-minute buy stop to the blue line. What the flying fuck? How many fucking buys? It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. Look, let's go to the 5-minute. The 5-minute where the actual signal was called off is a buy stop. And it was called out by a computer better than 99% of you. So just take the goddamn signal and trade it. There you go. There it is. There you go. Look, how many fucking more? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line with the fill in the gap, by the way. Watch this shit. The fill in the gap goes to your 10-minute. So let's go over here. There's a fill in the gap buy before the open to the blue line, fill in the gap buy after the open to the blue line. You could have took literally after the fucking trade happened. You could have still entered the trade and made money after it. Holy fucking shit. All these are sniper entries also, including the signal. So not only did you have this as your possibility, and Albert thinks this is funny. That's great, but it's the fucking truth. There it is. Buy stop from your H&H. Buy stop from your 15-second. Buy stop from your 30-second chart. Buy stop from your 1-minute chart. Buy stop from your 3-minute chart. Buy stop from your 5-minute chart. Buy stop from the signal service. Buy stop from the fill in the gaps all the fucking way along the way, before and after. Oh God, JTF6, don't ask. Buy stop. I'm telling people why I took, showing people why I took the trade after I just got done explaining it. And here it is. Here's a 10-minute buy stop sniper entry. Here's your fill in the gap. If you don't know what a fill in the gap is, let's take a fucking look, even though we just did it a second ago. Watch. You have actual, we come down to here, we go down to the 5-minute, we come over to here, make sure we're on our 10. Then we come over to our entry of our trade, over and fucking over again. How many buy stops you have to, but you know what I hear? Well, what about the 30-minute? Well, here's your fucking 30-minute answer. I swear to God. People are, I swear to God. We'll get to the 30-minute second. We're going to come right here. What you're going to see before the market open is a fill in the gap 5-minute called out by the signal service. What is the fill in the gap? Again, you guys are a little slow, but whatever. We'll go with it right in here as it is. Right here, this is a fill in the gap. Watch. This red dot fills in the gap over here on this. So that's how you know you're on the right trade anyways on every symbol you ever do. Here it is. You have red, fills in the space right here. What is the space? You mean the histogram bar. Green, there's a black fucking space. Then go ahead. Oh, is it time already? Then go ahead and go to the yellow spot.
Live content.
Due to inactivity. Okay, hold on a second. God, it's already been a fucking hour. Dreamwork makes the team work. Dreamwork makes the team work. All right, we're back live on TikTok. I have to refresh that. Thank you for letting me know. That was very nice of you, Rapid Power International. There's only a few people over there, but I figured everybody needs to learn how to trade for once in their lives. Wake the fuck up. There we go. We're back. Thank you, Rapid Power International. All right, so that is called the fill in the gap trade. That's yet another confirmation. But let's keep going, because Lord knows that isn't enough things to tell you guys what the fuck to fucking do and take the fucking trade. Let's go up to the 15-minute. Here's your 15-minute. Let's take a look. Here's your 15-minute. Gee, I don't know what the fuck this could possibly be. Blue line high, first time pink line lows, buy stop. Gee, I'm not sure this is our logo that's formed over here. And all of these, by the way, forms our logo. Yeah, I'm not sure that's a logo, but yep, it is. So now we have our logo on the 15-second, 30-second, da-da-da. We have the call out. We have the 15-minute buy, which is the only one you should be going by anyways, 15-minute, 1 hour. You go over to the 30-minute. This is where he's talking about the confusion happens. This is where he missed the part about, this is where it's always a transition. If you guys are ever going to get caught, it's going to be into the 30-minute chart, because it's transitioning over from a sell to a buy. And it looks like this is a sell, and it's called a sell. Because if you literally took the future right here, and you literally said, what is this right here? And then if Albert said this is a sell stop, it is. And technically, if you went off the yellow line, you would have made money on that trade. But it is the incorrect trade for the following reasons. And this is how you know what to do. The rules state only trade the 15-minute 1 hours, but I'm going to give you 100 other reasons. The actual H&H scanner called for a buy stop at open. The 15-second charts called for a buy stop at open. The 30-second charts called for a buy stop at open. The 1-minute charts called for a buy stop at open. The 3-minute charts called for a buy stop at open. The 5-minute charts called for a buy stop at open. The 10-minute charts called for a buy stop at open. The 15-minute charts called for buy stop at open. The 30-minute charts called for a sell stop. G, do you want me to sing the fucking song? One of these things is not like the other. One of these things doesn't belong. Let's go to the 1 hour. What does the 1 hour tell us? All we're supposed to be looking at is the 1 hour. I'm giving you full analysis of everything so you guys can have a way better understanding of what's happening. The 1 hour is what? What is the 1 hour? We're always to start with the 1 hour. Go back to your rules. You only are to look at the 1 hour chart, and you either go to the 15-minute or you go to the 4 hour. The 1 hour chart, clearly, Albert, is what? Yes, carpet. We can look at 30. US 30. What's up? It's my time. Thank you for coming back, Tracy Ann Davis, Jay Williams. We have more people on TikTok now. All right. This is clearly a buy stop, Albert, right? So now you have to go. I'll go to the 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. But from here, see our blue line low? Let's go to the 4 hour and see what. Oh, the blue line was low. And now the blue line's high. So we have rules. Okay. So let's take a look at this live so everyone can see this. We're going to go back to the 1 hour here. We're going to come over to here. We're going to go to the 4 hour. We're going to come over to here. And then what are we going to see? Everything to perfection. Everything to perfection. This is exactly how you fucking trade anything in life. The 1 hour blue line is low. We have a buy stop over it with a broken Bach. A 1 million. You guys don't even understand that. I'm not going to get into it. All before market open, this is a buy stop. The red fills in the gap. The blue line is high. The pink line is low on the 4 hour. You have clearly the only trade you can possibly make is a buy for the 4 hour. The only trade you could possibly make is this. It's because it's above and to the left. Yeah, the 1 hour chart, according to the rules right here, just so we're clear. And this is how the system can trade better than 99% of even my members, is because they don't understand it. Okay. What does it say? Step 1, use the following example gold, the 1 hour charts. Okay. Step 2, you go either to the 15-minute or 4 hour, depending if it's high or low. That's your rules. Okay. So this is the first thing you look at. But I didn't just do that for you guys. I'm giving you the total analysis on how to trade the system. Look at the H&H scanner. It told us to do it. Look at the 15-second. It told us to do it. 30-second told us to do it. 1 minute told us to do it. 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute told us to do it. The 30-minute is your transitional phase. That's the one that can fuck people up 90% of the time. That's where you get your ass handed to you. The 1 hour told you exactly what to do. The 1 hour, 4 hour is the perfect trade. Number 1, is the blue line high over here? Yes, it is. Number 2, is the blue line low? Yes, it is. 3, did it drop down? 4, is there a buy stop? Yes, there is. 5, is there a broken Bach? 6, is there a fill in the gap trade right here to here? Yes, 6. 7 is the only possibility is our logo up here. Correct. Is the Bach unbroken over here? Correct. This is 8. 9, I can keep going just on this chart. Then you add in 10. Is there a 15-second, a 30-second, a 1 minute? Yes. 12, 3-minute, 5-minute, 14, 10-minute, 15, a 15-minute, 16, a 1 hour, 17, a 4 hour, 18, a 1 hour. There's also a daily and a weekly we'll get to, 19 and 20. Don't even start me on the fact that all these other things had the broken Bach and fill in the gaps. We are probably up to 15 different trade confirmations. And the only one that isn't confirming it is the 30-minute, which is always the trick one for you guys that don't have any experience. So there's 30 things, 50 things, 6. There's probably 100 different indicators in my system saying yes. And then there's 1 30-minute saying, well, I don't know. If you looked actually at the logo, there's only one thing you could have read that is, but I don't want to rip you guys a new asshole. So there's 30, 50, 100 indicators saying yes, and 1 saying no, including the signal service that reads things flawlessly saying yes. So Albert, did I answer your question on the 30-minute? Jesus. I swear. And if I didn't, tough shit. Rewatch the video yourself again later. Don't be lazy. This is insane. There's over and over and over and over and over again, including the actual rules that you all are supposed to be following, which is go to the 1 hour. And what the fuck does the 1 hour show? A buy stop. That's it. Does everybody get that? 7s for yeses. I just went through it twice. Why you would take this trade, why I called it out, why I took the trade. And if it's 9s, I have no hope for you. Anyone that posts a 9, please don't use my system. Or please go back and rewatch this training video because I can't be any clearer. Jesus, fuck. Yes, Tracy, and you should watch this over and over. It's the easiest shit on it. Everyone complicates everything. Well, the 30-minute showed a fucking sell and da 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 da. Did it? Did it really show a sell? Oh, really? Okay. I don't know about that. I'm not sure. I wonder what this is. I wonder what this possibly could be. Over, up. Let's see. I'm not sure what that could be. Maybe that's our logo on a buy. Don't want to complicate anybody, though. I don't want to blow anyone's mind. Should be reading the charts from bigger time frames and starting with smaller time frames. Hubert. Yeah, I still don't see the answer from what's his face. Where'd he go? No, you should be reading the charts exactly as I told you in the rules. You start at your 1 hour. This is why would you ask that question, Hubert? You read the charts according to the rules. Everything else I gave you was just bonus. Everything else I gave you was just bonus stuff. That's all. And I might add pretty damn good stuff too. That's fantastic. Easiest shit on earth. All right, Uber, do you understand how to read the charts? Everything else I showed you is just bonus material. You read the charts, the 1 hour, the 15-minute, or you go to the 1 hour, 4 hour. If this is low, you try to see if this is at, because this is a buy stop. You can't have a sell stop inside of a buy stop. So again, you can trust the signal service, right? You can trust the signal service, which is always right, never wrong, I swear to God. Yeah, that Hubert, oh my God. Those are all bonus things for you to learn and study, Hubert. Okay. And look at, by the way, such a beautiful, this is a 5-minute to the blue line call. You quit talking about smaller time frames, Hubert. Go to your rules, reread your rules 100,000 fucking times. Follow the rules. Step 1, step 2. Print those rules out, have those by your thing. An hourly isn't a smaller time frame. Or better yet, Hubert, it sounds to me like you would benefit greatly from the signal service. I would buy the signal service if I were you. That way, literally on the signal service now, I'm going to go over that now, actually. The signal service has it so that you can trade signal to signal, and you don't even have to know, and you can't get confused. Because the signal service, you're allowed to do market execution orders on your demo account. So yeah, you can't possibly, and if you're still going to get confused, just go back and rewatch this video 100 times. Literally, he thinks I'm kidding. People think I'm kidding when I say, oh, watch this video 100 times in a month. If you didn't watch anything else on TV and you watch these training videos, you will never be confused again in your life. But people are always lazy, and they always never want to put any work in, and they want everything done for them. So then the reality is I made a signal service which does everything for you. This call out right here is a market execution order. You could have listened to this call, this 5-minute buy stop, and taken it. You don't even have to get confused over anything because it told you what to do. It's green. It's a buy. Okay. Dream work makes the team work. Okay. So here's US 30. Dream work makes the team work. Someone asked me to look at US 30. All the same rules apply, all of it. Okay. So let's take a look at US 30's 1 hour chart. Dream work makes the team work. And what do we see here? We see that this is showing a sell on the 1 hour. So now you shouldn't be looking to buy on this. This should nowhere in anyone's mind or shape or form is this a buy stop. This is bleeding red. So now I'm going to switch gears. Please, everybody understand we're going to talk about US 30 unless someone else has some question about NAS. Does anybody else have a question about NAS? I really don't want to go over it again. Quite frankly, fuck it. I don't want to answer your question about NAS. Go over the fucking thing. Watch this YouTube video over and over and over again when I'm done. It'll answer any questions you have over NAS. All right, I'm going over to US 30 because someone asked US 30. Purple line is open at US 30. You're going to notice the 1 hour is in only a possibility of sell. Let me put this in perspective for you. Watch. There's a difference here, a huge difference. If I was looking at this 1 hour, the only possibility is red, red, red. It's bleeding red. All the fuck that you can possibly see is bleeding red. This would be your open, that purple line at the time before it. It's all red. The only thing you can look for on this is a sell. As opposed to, let me be clear, as opposed to gonna be myself, NAS. See the difference? Look, on the 1 hour, green, 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 red, broken back, buy. SPX, not as clear. NAS, clearly a buy. US 30, clearly a sell on the 1 hour. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? Teaching you guys exactly how to do market analysis using the safety trade system. Forget the bullshit top-down analysis. It doesn't work. That's not me saying it. It's Google saying it. Let me be clear. Thank you, Rapid Power. Thank you, Flight 379. So there is a distinct, Hubert, Garth, there's a distinct difference between US 30 1 hour and NAS 1 hour. One is literally a buy stop here, and one is literally a sell there. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. Okay? Thank you, Carpet Repair of Arizona. That is the only possibilities. US 30 is a sell. Gee, I wonder what the signal service was calling before. Remember, look at NAS. The signal service calling, oh, we're on the wrong thing. Well, it's still called the 1 hour buy. See right here, look. 1 hour buy, signal service. Look before US 30. There's your 1 hour sell. Fucking follow the signal service. For those of you who are having fucking trouble making your trades, I created a signal service so that you guys who are a little slower to catch on to the system can just literally take a signal and win. There's the, see what I mean? I'm talking about the signal service being smarter and more because it's coded to the rules to call the order of operations for Keith. Please play for Keith Palmer. He's traveling today. Well, actually, I think he traveled yesterday. Anyway, the great Keith Palmer, the one who makes all our little indicators up for us, right? This is a sell signal. This is a buy signal. You see how the computer, the code, the signal service reads the charts better than all, well, I shouldn't say it, better than 90% of you? Hell, if you consider all traders in the world, it reads the charts better than 99% of you, and it's a fucking robot. But it follows my trading rules. It's me. So this is me saying look for a 1 hour buy stop on NAS. And this is me saying look for a 1 hour sell stop on NAS. I mean, so for those of you who can't see the difference between reds and greens, then maybe you can understand when a signal fucking comes out. Jeez, pizza, I swear. I can't, other than doing copy trading, which is illegal in every country, I don't think there's anything easier I can possibly do for you guys. There's nothing I can do to make this easier. It's color coded. So look, it's color coded. Look, reds mean sell. Everybody fucking knows that. Greens mean buy. You see all the green right here? We used to call this the sea of green. Then this little red came in. And look, there's the 1 hour buy stop call. Ding, 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 chicken dinner. Does everybody see how fucking fantastic the signal service is? Look. And let's see if US 30 was a little different. Oh, it's bleeding red. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Market orders, all of these, you'd have made all kinds of bleeding red. Look at it. Oh, but Kev, but NAS is, oh, it's green. I see the difference now. Come on, guys. Come on. Jeez, oh, pizza. I'm going to stay on here until I beat this into your guys' heads. Look. Can it be any more color-coded different for you? Look, all of this is green. You see it? Green. Look over here. Red. Green. Some of you are like, motherfucker, quit talking to us like we're little kids. Well, motherfuckers, quit acting like you're little kids. Wake the fuck up. Wake up. I love it. I stole it from that one fitness guy, but I love it. Wake the F up. Start learning your colors. Start being able to see when there's a freaking signal called out. H1. Buy stop. Gee whiz. What's this one? I'm telling you, it literally trades better than you guys. I'm sorry. I mean, no offense to JTF6. I'm sure he's a fine trader. No offense to ORA or Rapid Empowerment International or Flight 379 or Tracy Ann Davis is holding a trade for the last week now. No offense to any of you. But let me give you a hint. These signals are never wrong. What's up, Tank Dog? Boy, you're going to need to be watching this. Yeah, you're colorblind. So is my brother, and he still makes the trades. Tank Dog, you're really going to want to watch this. This is a fantastic. I do analysis from 15-second all the way up. Not to mention, speaking of which, what y'all should be looking at is what the fuck is this thing? This is your daily buy stop. I'm staying in this trade until the week, and it's really close now, by the way. The weekly fill in the gap has been hit and covered. So this is your gap right here. The green has not quite touched the yellow on NAS. I'm staying in this buy. Same for my SPX. I'm staying in this buy. SPX is super close. And see, look at this is US 30 giving us another buying opportunity coming up soon. So that's why US 30 dipped a little, but it's going to shoot up. It's going to close this gap right here. It's the first time for it too, so it's absolutely going to do this. Yay. So if you look at your daily, you look at your weekly, the only possibility is for buys. You look at the 4 hour, has to be a buy, and so on. So why was US 30 going down while the others are going up? That's a better question, but a much easier question to answer. Okay. So there you go. There you fucking go. Look at that. You're getting call outs by signal service. You're getting call outs by the colors. You're getting green, 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 red, buy signals, red, 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 green, sell signals. Your snipers engaged. And guess what? We even made it easier for you guys. Let's see if we can get it to work. This is so much fun. If it doesn't work here, I'll get it to go on our, hold on. We're going to do a replay. And we're going to go from here. And we're going to go here. I just want to see something. So I must not have went back far enough. Hold on, let me go back further. We might have to pull up the other charts here. Watch, this is what you're going to see. DreamWork makes the team, or let's go back to here. Now watch this shit. We're having some technical issues because, well, you know, TradingView is what it is. Let's go here. So now let's take a look. This is here. So you're going to watch on both charts. Let's look. This is where we're at. This right here is right here. So this is called a playback. What you guys are about to see is so fucking cool if it works. Here we go. So watch. This right now, I already missed the one call. Motherfucker. So I already missed the one call, but it's right there. That's your 1 hour buy. And we can always go down if it doesn't pick it up. I'll go down to the 5. There it is. And let's go and see if it can pick up the 5. Can't pick up the 5. So what we're going to go down to is the 5 minute and the 5 minute. And we should be able to get the buy here. So watch. We're going to go back here in Playland. Yep. So this is going to be roughly speaking the area we're going to pull back to. And we're going to pull back to here. All right. And then we're going to move it here. All right. So we got a little ways to go. We're just watching a live candle by candle, tick by tick playback. And we're hoping that this 5 minute right here will pop up over here for you. But again, we've been having technical difficulties with TradingView. It doesn't seem to be able to read it. It did not. Fucking shit. See, but it is there. You can clearly see the 5 minutes been called out. And that's what you're seeing. So you're seeing a live 5 minute call. It should have been called right here. But again, I don't know. Maybe if I took off the other ones for us. Hold on, let me see something. Because see, sometimes the playback feature works. Sometimes the playback feature doesn't work. I hate to take all of these off. All right, now let's see if we can get it to go. DreamWork makes the team, or I love this stuff right here where you go back and forth. Me and Keith do this. Well, hell, I do this all day long with Keith. It's fucking insane. Nah. Son of a fucking bitch. Why can't it do it on its little playback? Let me try one more too, though. I can keep going back and forth on this shit nonstop. Yeah, Albert, you can ask another question. Sure. Isn't that weird? What the fuck? Hold on, let me go back down. I'm going to go down to the 1 minute. DreamWork makes the team work. All right, we're going to go to the 1 minute, and I want to see if we can catch it here. All right. When one level was at the top of the 4 of them was at the bottom. when the 1 hour blue line was at the top. I don't know what, it doesn't even make sense. Yeah, of course it does. The 1 hour blue line's low and the 4 hour blue line's high. You're mixed up, not me. Come on, let's see it. God, it's going too slow. I know if I speed it up, it'll miss it. So we kind of have to wait here. Yeah, you misinterpreted or misread what I was saying. Oh, son of a bitch. It missed it fucking again. Damn. That playback thing is annoying as fuck. If this thing would work, it'd be such a great teaching tool for you guys to be able to see it live. Fuck. Yeah, no, you don't know what you're talking about, Albert. You missaw something. Whenever there's a 4 hour blue line, it's going to be high, just like it is here. Yeah, that's your high. Blue line high. Here's your 1 hour. Blue line low. Low. Fuck. So we just went over that. I'm not going to answer that again. All right. Da 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 da. Can't even get it to fucking pull up. That is so weird to me. Fine. Teamwork makes the team work. All right. Now, what's up, Steve? Might want to rewatch this video a little bit. There's a really good one explaining why the trade I took Friday, right at open, right 1 minute after open, buy NAS, $890, why I took it. And there is huge ass reasons why, how the 30 minute is a little catch up thing in there. There's an issue with. Yeah, you must have misunderstood, Albert. That's all. No big deal. But yeah, how the H&H scanner called it, the 15-second call, the 30-second call, the 1 minute call, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute called it, the 1 hour, which is the only one you're supposed to be looking at, and the 4 hour, how you could do the 1 hour 15 or the 1 hour 4 hour. And then the 30 minute is always the mix up for everybody. If there's going to be a mix up on your charts, you're going to see it at the 30 minute level when it's transitioning, unless you understand the power of your logo, because the logo was still there on the 30 minute. But I don't want to teach anyone that. I can't even get you guys to understand fucking green, red. But anyway, Steve, it's a good one. Very good. This is a very, I put much watch TV. Whenever I put that on there, you guys need to rewatch this video over and over and over again. Trust me. All right. So we've explained ad nauseum. I mean, I think we've been on explaining this trade literally for the last 2 hours. I know it's been over an hour because TikTok kicked me off once, but I think it's 2 hours. Dreamwork makes the team work. Wake the F up. I need to put that on here. That's what I should do. It's the only thing I should do. I'm going to take all this shit off of here. You guys are going to kill me. How big can I write this? Nope, that's too big. People. Wait. Old tools? I don't know. I'll figure that out later. Wake the fuck up. You're probably going to start laughing. What's up, Tom Walters? Good morning, Tom. What's up, Carpet Repair of Arizona? Oh, yeah, Carpet Repair of Arizona. He wanted me to go in an in-depth analysis of the sell. So let's go over to US 30. So the 1 hour. Sorry, I'll get him a little bit more. It is a sell to the blue line on the 1 hour. So we can either go up to the 4 hour and determine what that is. Oh, the 4 hour is low here. Interesting. What's the 4 hour daily? Oh, it's a 4 hour daily buy. So this is my call out for each and every. I thought I put a line on here. Where the fuck did my line go? So my call out for each and every one of you, free, since you guys are here wasting your time in the morning. Buy stop. US 30 off the yellow line daily. Buy stop. I could have swore I had this line here. Yeah, I even wrote out buy stop, remember? What the? TradingView is weird. I know for coding purposes, Keith hates it, but buy stop. No, it should only show. Yeah. So we go over to the, there you go. Daily buy stop, US 30. All it did was come down to make us a better buying opportunity. This thing will go up. This, well, if it doesn't, who the fuck cares? It's a pending order anyways. Buy, stop, you know, do with it what you want. But in my opinion, this thing will go up. Cheers, Kevin. I think it's been your best trading. No, I've done millions of times of this best training for you, Albert. You need to go back and watch the good ones. Tons of trading for you, Albert. Thousands of these things. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. You missed a good one. Okay. Still going, by the way. We've been 2 hours in. And no, I do thousands of these. I have 1,000 best training videos, Albert. Let's be clear. I have about 1,600 videos, of which I would say at least half of them give you some kind of golden nuggets in there. At least half, probably more than that. So let's go back to what we were talking about for carpet repair of Arizona. This is a sell. Yeah, Kelly, it's fantastic, by the way. I'm not just saying that. This gives you what I went over with why I took a trade, the SPX, the NAS trade on Friday, this trade right here, and why I took the trade right after open, that kind of thing. And I went over it, and it's a lot of, you're only supposed to do the 1 hour, 4 hour, but I went down to the 15-second, explained how to use the H&H scanner with it. This is an analysis one. You really need to watch this one. What's up, Dr. Bianca Adams? Good morning. You need to watch it too. I was just telling Kelly McMahon needs to watch the this video, and Dr. Bianca, you really do too. Anyone just tuning in, you need to watch this video. It's been crazy good. It's been literally an hour and a half, 2 hours of me explaining why I took the trade, how to analyze your charts using the safety trade system. Now, not just, it is that good. It fucking needs to be watched. All right. So for red carpet cleaners, for carpet repair of Arizona, the 1 hour then shows us a sell. I'm just going to give a quick refresher for Kelly and Dr. Bianca. NAS is all green. See right in here? This is your buy, right? So let's shrink this up. Kelly and Dr. Bianca, green, 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 red, broken box, buy stop, right? You know that 101. US 30s all red. The purple line is 1631. You're welcome, Kelly. And then, so this is the purple line when I entered my trade. The US 30, I didn't take a buy because it's only showing a possibility of sell. NAS is only showing a possibility of a buy. US 30 is only showing a possibility of a sell. NAS is only showing a possibility of a buy because green, 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 red, broken box, buy. You know that. Everyone knows that. US 30, red, 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 bleeding red. And by the way, this is how good the signals are. You're welcome. Only calling out sells. Only calling out sells. NAS calling out buys. Okay. So there's a difference. That's why the signal service is the signal service is like literally me telling you what to do on your demo trades. So NAS is all green. You see all this before here, Kelly and Dr. Bianca? All green. Green, 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 green. Little red, you know it's a buy. This is US 30. All red. Red, 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 red. Can only be a sell. Yeah, this is the 1 hour. 1 hour chart up here. You can always tell by the color. The blue is the highlighted one. It actually says behind here too in 1H. 1 hour. Okay, so that is a sell, and this is only a buy. So the only possibility we had for buy was if you go back to the 15-second charts, there was only buys. 30-second charts, there was only buys. 1 minute, there was only buys. 3 minutes, there was only buys. 5 minutes, literally on the 5 minute, not only was it a buy, but this buy was literally called out
on our signal service 1 hour. This buy right here is a signal service because that's how good it can read. You see that little dot right there? The signal service read that as a buy correctly, obviously, sniper and all that stuff, to the blue line, by the way. And this is the purple lines where I took my trade. So the signal service told me to take a buy stop or a buy. This is a market order. A buy would have put you in right here on the signal service. Okay. So you had a buy using our H&H scanner. This is why I wrote this out. I said, NAS, I haven't changed a thing. This is exact wording from Friday morning. NAS 100 SPX, US 30, 15-second, 30-second buy stops towards US 30 SPX 1-minute blue lines, 15-minute, 30-minute sell stops. Favorite was the daily weekly buy. Then I explained why the 30-minute didn't work out. But anyway, this is your buys. That's what it was called at the time. Then the 15-second was a buy. The 30-second was a buy. The 1-minute was a buy. The 3-minute was a buy. Literally, this is the 5-minute, and this is a buy stop called out by the signal service 1 hour before the trade. Tell me that's not fucking kick-ass. Then the 10-minute was a buy. The 15-minute was a buy. The only one you could have possibly misunderstood was the 30-minute. And that's when somebody jumped in there and said something silly, but we'll pretend like that didn't happen. And then the 30-minute, which again, where you would be looking at on a 30-minute trade on NAS, you would have thought perhaps that you completely missed this 1 hour buy stop right here on the 30-minute, called out by the signal service that it was the first signal called. So it was red, green, green. This is a buy. But see, what someone in their infinitely small minds thought, oh, well, this is a sell right here. This is red, 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 and this turned green. This is literally called out a buy. This is literally our logo. It hooks and comes over. This literally is a buy stop in here. This whole thing literally is a buy, but the person decided to be a smart ass and say, hey, this right here, this little part right here, this is a sell. And yes, you can get confused in the 30-minute. That is the one part where people get a little confused with. So I'm going to give the person a break and not rip completely to shreds. But the reality is that's stupidity. Picking out one little fucking little peg right there when you miss the bigger picture is showing the person's ignorance on trading the system. And they should really be quiet and learn how to actually follow instructions according to the rules. So they should have even looked at the 30-minute to possibly call that, because literally, if I asked each and every one of you what was inside of this right here, you wouldn't have said a sell stop. But yet Mr. Smarty Pants over here decided to speak up and say that's a 30-minute sell. This is literally the definition: blue line low, green, 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 red, broken Bach against the non-broken Bach 4-hour buy stop. So literally NAS was a buy stop on the 30-minute, but I let the person slide and try to give them a break and all that. I'm not going to mention any names, but you know, that was just a stupid ass fucking question. So if you go to the 1 hour, which is what the rules tell you to go to in the first place, Kelly and Dr. Bianca, you start with the 1 hour charts. You go to the 1 hour charts, and what do you see? You go to the 1 hour charts and you come over to here, and it's clearly inside of here. Before market open, before this purple line, clearly inside of here was a buy stop for everyone to see. And we can compare that to the 4 hour. Then you go up to the 4 hour, you can clearly see 4 hour is high. Matter of fact, first buy stop, second buy stop, third buy stop. This is the fourth time it's happened, but it was still a buy stop. The only play you could have played was a 4 hour buy. So that's the recap. So to recap, you had one reason to take the trade that I took. The H&H scanner told you to. The 15-second chart told you to. The 30-second chart told you to. The 1 minute chart told you to. The 3-minute chart told you to. The 5-minute chart literally told you to, and told you with a signal from the signal service to take the fucking trade, which is never wrong. But I'm going to go ahead and say there can be a possibility. God can do what he wants. But other than that, it's never wrong. 10-minute told you to. 15-minute told you to. The 30-minute could have been a little misinterpreted if you were a rookie beginner and you didn't know what the fuck you're doing. The 1 hour was impossible to misinterpret. That was a buy stop. If you actually look at the 2 hour, it's even clearer buy stop. You can go to the 3 hour, by the way. This is a buy stop. Look at it. There it is. Green, 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 red, buy stop. The 4 hour is a buy stop because that's what comes from the 1 hour, 4 hour. The 1 hour is low right down here. The 4 hour is up high, buy stop. Then you come over to the daily. The daily is the only fucking possible thing you could have had was a buy stop. So this, and then you go to your daily weeklies. It's the fill in the gap for the weekly. That's why I'm in still a trade from 5-3, because I want this green to finish out coming up. It hasn't touched yet. It's close. I could close it. I'm not going to. I already locked in my profit. So from the 15-second all the way through the weekly, it's a buy stop. Logos on all of these. The H&H scanner said it was a buy stop. The sniper said it was a buy stop. Over and over again on the 15-second, every one of these. But if all you did was look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour, you couldn't have misinterpreted it. There it is. So that's your recap, Kelly and Dr. Bianca. I went into much more detail than that. And for you too, Steve, by the way. All right. So we also went and looked at some of how the signals are called out. So fucking cool, but the thing wouldn't work properly. But nonetheless, it's still calling them out correctly. Here it is. Again, when you guys are in doubt and you're not sure of anything, look. This is like people say, oh, this is you can draw in lines, you can do all this stuff. You're welcome, Dr. Bianca. No, the signal service is locked in. It's put into a Discord. It's unchangeable with the Discord. There's nothing you can do. This is actually a signal that went out. This is a 2.0 Hydra 2.0 signal that never misses unless God wants it to miss. A correct call on NAS buy. Okay, here is your 30-second buy. If you go over to US 30, you'll notice there is no buys. There's only sells. See it? So there's only sells for US 30. Only buys for NAS. Only sells. See the difference? See, so that's why I keep telling you, the signals trade better. And even if you only get the signals for a month or two, at least get the signals. Only trade NAS and SPX and US 30 with them. And holy shit, you can't go wrong. You're welcome, Kelly. I mean, obviously, at least two of the members that were on this live didn't understand that US 30 was a sell and that NAS was a buy. So even if you're fucking colorblind, rolling my eyes, well, there's an H1, okay? And there it is. I don't know how much easier I can make things. Fill in the gap trades, 1 minute sell stops, 30-second sell stops, 15-second sell stops, 1 hour sell stops, 15-minute sell stop. What? And then you guys still ask me. I don't know what to tell you. Follow this video, learn, watch it, learn some more, do some more. If you can't see that this is a buy stop on NAS, you can't see this is a buy stop on NAS, then you really need to rewatch this video about 100 times over the weekend. Fuck grilling out, watch the video. Fuck going to the mall, watch the video. Wake the fuck up. See your sell, buy. NAS 1 hour buy. US 30 1 hour sell. NAS 1 hour buy. US 30 1 hour sell. If nothing else, notice all the red. See the red? Red, red, red. Then look over here. See the green? Green, 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 green. Look, here's another rule. All your things are to the left. All your things are bottom, above and to the left. Bottom and to the left. I mean, how much clearer? I don't understand. And then I give you guys signals to buy, to get, to use. What more? What more? What more? I don't know. Okay. Hopefully you guys all caught this. I can stay on forever until I beat it through your guys' skulls. So does anybody else want to go ahead and ask some other question, or maybe look at some other symbol? I'll look at that for you. Of course, you know, for all the beginners out, this works on every symbol, all 1,000 symbols. Doesn't matter what. It's always correct. It'll never be wrong. You want a side hustle? There's $890. Swap fees, interest. This is my trade from the time period of yesterday. And I still have my other trades open on SPX. Let's look here. 194 and $3. I'm holding these SPX trades until closure on the histogram bar on the 4-hour. Tracy Andrews, like this video, guys. Yes, Tracy Andrews, sure. XRP, I love XRP. It hasn't moved worth a shit. Doesn't stop me from loving it. XRP, let's take a look. Oh, look, it's going up a little. Hey, what do you know? There's a buy. Okay. Let's turn off my signals. Hold on. Okay. Now, so we go to the 1 hour. What do we see? Well, it's kind of already did it. Well, doing it as you speak. I'm assuming the 4 hour is up. Let's take a look. Yes. So this is XRP. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop to the 4 hour blue line. You should see XRP hit about 55 cents. 0.5576 is where XRP is going. But let's take a look. So now this is what we have. This is amazing. So if we do our 1 hour, 4 hour analysis, I'm going to start with the 4 hour because it's already hit it. This is what you're looking at right here. This is why you need the sniper. Everybody has to have the sniper. If you're not trading with the sniper, I mean, the system isn't calling a buy stop here. It's not, it's just red, whatever. It is calling a fill in the gap one here, but you couldn't have made either of these trades. With the sniper, you would have made these trades. We're on the 4 hour XRP. 4 hours behind here, 4 hours lit up in blue here. This is the 4 hour. You can clearly see blue line came up, pink line came down. So let's take a look. This is the first thing it came up. This is the second thing this one came. Look how bad I write. Hold on, let me try to undo those and maybe do those a little bit. Blue line came up. This came down. Okay, so right here, okay, that's good enough. Now if we take this and we mark it and we go, hey, I wonder what happened if there was a blue line, and I'll just tag it right here on the 1 hour. So let's go over to our 1 hour. And was the, yep, and the blue line was down low. So here is the blue line down low. And I'll pull up both charts for you. And yes, there is a buy stop right here. See it? So now we have green, red, blue line low, and it's confirmed. So, and it's going, by the way, this is a 1 hour blue line going, 1 hour buy stop going to the blue line on XRP. Easiest money you're ever going to make would be on that trade. So now let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to combine on the 4 hour side to the left, the 1 hour side on the right. So the first thing you're going to look at is the is the 4 hours. So let's take a look. You can clearly see blue line high, pink line comes down for the first time. So look over here. Yeah, you can see it over there. Good. Over here, number 1, blue line came high. 2, came down low. 3, you have the blue line with it. 4, you have a buy stop here. And then it's going to the blue line. There's a lot of good things with this trade. Okay. And by the way, it's calling out 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop right here. Everybody see that? It's calling out 4 hour, 1 hour buy stop for you. But look what it did. Look what it did. Let's be clear of what you're looking at. Here is your 4 hour, 1 hour buy stops. And I told you they're never wrong. The signal service can be wrong. God can do what he wants. It's never wrong. It's me calling the trades, and for me to be wrong, following the rules can happen, but very infrequently. Look at it. It's a perfect call. So it read the charts, again, better than me, better than you, better than Tracy, better than Kelly, better than Dr. Bianca, better than Greg. And there's the signal service. Pop, and there it is. Poop. There it is. This is the first time it happened. And it went to the blue line, touched the blue line. What do you know? Okay, so this is how you trade, everyone. Come over to here. Look, now we have the exact same thing occurring. Look, this is the exact same thing. Now you have blue line high, pink low, buy, stop, back to the blue line again. So that is your analysis. And by the way, it called another 1 hour, 4 hour buy correctly. Yay, Albert! Albert's understanding thing now. Now, Albert, rewatch this video 50 times this weekend and you'll understand it so much so that you'll be cussing at me going, motherfucker, I don't watch again. I don't want to watch again. Watch it again. And watch it the fuck again. And then again. And by the way, it just went up before your very eyes. It looks like it's going there. Yeah. Nice. Tracy, does that make sense to you? That's all the analysis you need to do. You go to the 1 hour, see what it's doing. Then you go to the 4 hour and see what it's doing. And there it is. And that's it. And I do believe 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop to the 4 hour blue line on XRP, as I called a minute ago. Everybody on TikTok and YouTube understand that. Now, I've actually, obviously with Keith's help and my beautiful wife's help, we've actually dumbed down the signal service to these little lines. Wait till you see that shit. You guys are going to die and went to heaven. I've literally dumbed down signals that look like this to these lines. You're welcome, Tracy Ann. And people are still going to mess it up. Oh, Lord. But I'm going to keep trying to help you guys. And you guys keep finding ways to screw things up. Why do you have the sniper? Why did you make the sniper? Why did you do this? And why did you do that? And why did you do this? And why did you... What? Everything I do to help you guys, there's always one or two of you that kind of screw it up. And I'm like, oh my God, how can it be screwed up? How? And here I sit. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop, EUR USD. Anytime you see a 4 hour, for instance, this, let's look at this one right here. EUR USD, 4 hour line. I can't be any clearer. Oh, let me turn these on again for you. I can't be any clearer. Let's see. Oh, I do like that. Yeah. Okay. Well, we can leave these two. All right, fine. All right, look. This is EUR USD 4 hour. You guys should all be playing the 4 hours and only the 4 hours. And this is a perfect fucking trade. Holy shit. All right. So look, this is 4 hour. This is the, what's up, Shiraz? Good morning. This is the, you should rewatch this video, Shiraz. It's fucking fantastic. This is the blue line came high. This is the pink line came low for the first time. This is just money, money, money. So watch. Blue line is high. Pink line is low. Okay. And then we have our logo, started down low, came up, retrace. Then we have it going to our blue line right here. Okay. So these are all on the 4 hour. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook it, and we'll go over to the 1 hour too. Watch. Right here, where this purple line is, we're going to see a buy stop on the 1 hour. And hold on. Oh. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. By myself. Dream work makes the team work. Dream Teamwork makes the team work. All by myself. Okay. Now let's see if we can see. There we go. Okay, you guys should be cool on TikTok. All by myself. Teamwork makes the team work. Yeah, you can't see. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's called a stop loss, Ash. What's up, Ash? Can you explain where you would enter or exit if it goes against? Yeah, absolutely. All right, but let's finish up what we were doing. Then I'll get to that. All right, so 1, 2, this is your buy. So now we're going to go down to the 1 hour chart. We're going to go back to that line. Here it is. And here it is. Exactly as I called out. Thank you, JTF6. That's very kind. Green, 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 red, and then broken back worth $1 million, and then the blue line's low like I told you. So let's take a look at all of it. Let's put it all together now, and I'll go over entrances for you. Absolutely, very simple. But it just shows me you don't have the system or you haven't read your rules, but it doesn't sound like you have the system, to be honest with you. All right, so let's take a look. Dreamwork makes the team work. All right, so we're going to put the 4 hour here where it is. In ERUSD there. And then we're going to, you guys can see, yeah, you guys can see it. We'll move it back here. All right, and this is our 1 hour. Look at that. Look at all, just so you're clear, look at all the correct signals called out. All these green things you're seeing are live signal service signals. So the first thing our rules say, you go to the 1 hour, make sure our logo's here, which it is. It started down here, came up, rehooked up. On the 4 hour, you can clearly see it came down here, came up. Wherever the logo traces goes to here. You can see the red histogram area right here fits into this space right here. The missing puzzle piece, which is so fucking cool. Then you have this blue down low. This blue is up high. You can clearly see the opposites. You know, our 1 hour was over here, 4 hour over here. Signal service calling out buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. It's blazingly hitting you over the head time and time again. Buy, 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 buy. Okay, you can clearly see all our green, the broken box here. Everything is firing off the signal. The only way you can take the signal is for a buy. And of course, it goes up to the blue line. So is everyone clear on that and how easy this is to read? 4 hour is high, 1 hour is low on the blue line. Here is your buy stop on the 1 hour. There's your fill in the gap on the 4 hour. It's our logo going to the blue line, also on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Does everyone see that? 7s for yeses. And thank you, JTF6, for those kind words. Team Real Talk. Who does this? Yeah, I was bored this morning. You guys are blessed. Does anyone not understand this? Okay, now I'm going to go over entrances and how to put your take profits in and your stop losses. Tracy got it. And Tracy's holding a trade. I'm so happy for Tracy. What's up, Sergio? All right, let's head back to it. All right, so he was asking, how do we put in entrances? What do we do? How do we know what the fuck to do? How is this something? What goes on? Well, it depends on what time period your trade is in. We have rules. You wait for the half moon. You wait for it to pull back up. If you're doing direct market orders, you would enter the trade right here. Okay, so you would just enter the trade. And then, of course, it went straight up. So if you did a direct market order from here to here, you would literally have made entrance would have been here. I don't know. It kept going up. 47 pips. I have no idea. I can't say. Oh, yeah. You made about 50 pips. So if you did a direct market order off of our signal service, That's one way of entry. And off of a 2.0, that this one right here, you could have done that. Oh, that's a sell, actually. It wouldn't have mattered. In fact, again, why are these on? Let me get rid of these for now. There we go. All right. So you could do market orders off of this if you wanted. You'd have to do the one back here, though. You want me to turn that back on? Where is our big one? This one here. No. Where is our big? Hold on. Yeah, these ones. These are the fast ones. Those cells are inside of the seconds. We have to go down to that table. Oh, they all are on. Hold on. Let me see. There isn't a signal for ERUSD on a buy here. I could have swore we. Oh, they're over here. Fuck. Sorry. I knew there was signals. So there's a 4-hour, 1 hour right here. We'd have to go to the 4-hour chart for entry. Hold on. Let's see what that looks like. So this is your, if you're going to do a market order entry using the signals, it was a 4-hour entry. So you'd have to enter off of this one. You'd enter off right there on that one. I'll take the high off that, and you would have made, I hate how they do that, about 40 pips. About 40 pips from there to here. So you could do a market entry off the order. If you don't want to do that, you can follow our rules, which is the logo, which is the half moon, crescent moon forming, which means it looks like this. Price comes down, hooks over. Your entry would have been off of either the green or the yellow line. I like doing the green line. It's better. It's a faster entry. And you would have made money from here to there. So that's what your entry would have been. Stop loss would have been put below the pivot point right down here. Your stop loss in ERUSD would have been about 30, 40 pips. I don't mind going to 20, 30 pips on ERUSD on a 4-hour. That's fine. If you're trying to do this trade on US30, that motherfucker on a 4-hour, you would have been, dude, that would have been like 200 pips. So be careful. You make sure you're not trying to trade US30 with like a $500 account. You're going to get your ass handed to you. You can't even take care of the stop losses. What is 30 second? 30 second. It could be a sell or it could be buy. S30. That's your 30-second time frame right here. That's what that means. Sell stop down. Sell stop down. Look at it over and over again. Up. Red, 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 green. Sell stop to the blue line, I might add. Red, 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 green. Sell stop going down. Run 30-second. Yeah, the system works on 30-second candles. Matter of factly, how ironic. It works on 1-second candles. There it is. Red, 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 green. Down. Doesn't matter. You can do buys, sells. Doesn't matter. You can do oil. Look at these little things right here. Gee, guys, who knows what these are? Everybody can tell you. Buy stop once, buy stop. This is green, 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 red. Twice, 3 times. These are 1 second to the 1-second blue line. Did you see it? Look. Here they are. Pop, 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 pop. Right up to, these are 1-second candles. Now, I'm not ever telling anyone to trade on the 1 second. But yes, the system works on the 1 second. It works on the monthly. Works on anything and everything, to be clear. And every symbol. Doesn't matter whether it's GBP, JPY. That's oil. We already did gold today. Works on NAS, SPX, US3. Did those nonstop. Netflix. Doesn't matter. Pick one. Works on anything. Calls out earnings before earnings happen. All these ones, silver and all these ones, these are all the ones that were asked for me to look at. I don't even know what the hell HK50 was. Never even heard of it. Worked flawlessly. Ethereum, Bitcoin. I've been calling Bitcoin since March the 8th, 2023, when it was at 26,500. I said on a live, matter of factly. Yeah, I like Pete a lot and all, but no, we're good. Where's Pete been at, by the way? The fuck, Pete? Where you been, bro? Here. Where is my damn one with my thing? Well, it comes to you when you're not a. Interesting. Well, anywho, my call out for Bitcoin is documented about 200 times to buy Bitcoin. Look at it. There's another 1 second. That's so cute. NVIDIA, don't even get me started. We don't know what NVIDIA is going to. No one knew that NVIDIA was going to go, except for the safety trade system, called it out. Fucking. Let me just be. Every one of these green lines is a buy. So from October 22, buy. Buy. Da. Wow. Okay. I'll handle that one. And then, yeah. Look at them all. So all the green you see on here would have been signals called for a buy. Da. You know what? I think I can make that actually thicker. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say the system called it pretty correctly for NVIDIA. Da. All right. So it doesn't matter. Google, Amazon, pick one. I mean, Amazon just buy anyways. There's no reason not to. USD, JPY, everything. So we're good. All right. Anybody have any questions over everything I went over? This is exactly how you use the safety trade system to analyze any stock at any time. Anything. TikTokers, any questions before I head over to YouTube for a minute? Anyone on TikTok have questions? All right. Oh. God bless you all on TikTok. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourselves. I might be on later tonight, depending on my mood. I might. All by myself. TikTok. By myself. Is myself. YouTubers, any questions before I go? YouTube, any questions before I go? Da. What's up, Ryan Flores? No, I'm not going to go over example again. You have, I've done it like 3 or 4 times already in the video. You guys can just watch that. Da. That's what the great thing about video replay is. Yeah, this is a video you're going to want to rewatch multiple times. All right, guys. Well, take care. Thank you, JTF6. God bless you all. Take care. Talk to y'all later. See ya.